So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to create a grocery list here on the Notes app. Now, it's probably not as important on a computer because you're not shopping with a computer. But anyways, if you wanted to create one, it's pretty simple. So let's just say you wanted to create your grocery list just like this, and you just wanted to go ahead and make this a heading. Now, to add your grocery list, it's pretty simple. Take advantage of the checklist option right here. So go ahead and make a checklist. This way you can go eggs, toast, cereal, milk, I don't know, hash browns, like whatever your grocery list may be. Now, why this is so good is because once you're at the grocery store, if you just wanted to go ahead and check these off, maybe you want to go ahead and print out the list. You can do that. Now, another option as well that you could do is you could always just highlight it and you could strike it through as well. That's another way to do it, but it's probably simplest if you guys just create a checklist like this. Now, if you want to customize it, go to the top left, press format. You can kind of change the formatting this way. You can go ahead and move check to the bottom, like whatever the case may be. You can kind of do it that way. Get creative, do what you got to do. But that's how you guys can create a grocery list on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.